Today we're going to be seeing how different samples sound like in different tones. Starting out with the Heavenly Jump Style kick. Let's start with a C negative 1. That sounds so trash. C0. Bro, what is this? C1. Starting to sound more like jump style. C2. Hold on, there's something wrong with my camera. Alright, C2. Sounds more like jump style. Sounds more like drift funk, actually. C3 gets its original rhythm back. Then we have C4. Sounds more like a guitar. It sounds like an electric guitar. 5. Try that again. What the hell? Sorry for my memes. C6. Well, what is this? C7. This does sound like more like high-pitched ding by now. Holy hell, what is this? C8. C9. And at last, C10. What if we all put them together? Every single tone together. Sorry for my weird tone. This is a collab with DJ Mysterious. We need more of this shit in life. We need more of this shit in life. Simply one of everything. But how would this sound normally? Like, what if I really... Shut up. Okay. Let's see what next. I have a bunch of DW sampler files ready for this one. Then let's do a Trigger Nut secondary kick. I'm sorry, what was that? Or what the fuck? We're going back down to C negative 1. What did I do? Oh. I didn't know I could do that. C0. I have no idea what that sounds like. 1. Starting to sound more like a crunched up. Sounds like a more crunched up drift funk sound. C2. C3. The iconic secondary kick rhythm. What KS really knows for this. C4. Are you talking about the bomb? Sorry about that. C5. Wait. C4. SMG4. Sorry about that. C6. Sorry that covers the camera. Huh? What the hell? Alright, C6. I have no idea what that sounds like. What is that? C7. C8. No commentary. C9. C10. Now let's play it all at once. That actually sounds like a good. That actually sounds good. Let's call that note C infinity. How? Sorry. What next? DW sampler. As usual. Let's do the So Beam Salto. Iconic Biley Funk shot. C -1. C0. Huh? C1. Getting the rhythm. Getting more rhythm. Screw it. You know, that can be implemented to a full song later on. You know what, I'll do that just for the end of the video. C4. At the end of the video, I'll make a preview song out of all the combined notes. C4. C5. C6. Wait, wrong thing. C7. Huh? C8. C9. Snickerdoodle. C10. Put them all together. That actually sounds good. What next? Let's see. We need a pluck. And I know just the thing for it. Why don't we try my... guys, I have my own samples now. I'll link a zip file. I'll link a zip file with 5 of my samples. If you see the letters KX, then my samples, such as the Ghana lead, drum style funk kick, exact melody, power kick, secondary kick. Let's go with the Ghana lead. C -1, C0. Shut up. C1. C2. Classic C3. C4 bomb. Oh, sorry. Every time I see C4, I think of the C4 bomb. C4 bomb. C5. C6. C7. C8. C9. And finally, C10. Let's see how this sounds. Holy hell. That sounds fire. And that's the Ghana lead and C infinity. Sounds like a warning bell. Alright. Let's go with the Grizek. Back again to the KX samples. Let's go Z -1. C0. C1. C2. C3. C4 bomb. Anyway, C4. C5. C6. C7. No one would dare approach this algorithm. I mean, this note. Is it even called a note? C8. C9. C10. Let's hear it. you've reached the point where we've been waiting for. A song out of all of these samples. Or maybe not. Okay, now. Actually, on second thought, let's not. Wait, did I not copy it? Okay, then. I guess that's about it. Thank you for tuning in today's KXS video. Man, why won't this dang screen protector work? Alright, bye.